Ever wondered which smartphone camera reigns supreme? Today we're pitting two giants against each other, the Vivo X100 and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. These powerhouses are set to clash, their photographic prowess put to the test. The Vivo X100, with its cutting-edge quad-camera setup, is nothing short of a tech marvel. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, armed with a sophisticated pentacamera system, is a force to be reckoned with. Both promise to redefine the boundaries of smartphone photography, from capturing the perfect low-light shot to stretching the limits with ultra-wide views. When darkness falls, which camera can turn night into day? The Vivo X100 uses advanced AI algorithms to capture stunning low-light shots. However, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, with its revolutionary night vision technology, promises to brighten even the darkest corners. The ultra-wide lens is a game-changer for smartphone photography. It's the key to capturing expansive landscapes or fitting all your friends into a group selfie. The Vivo X100 offers a wide field of view, perfect for those panoramic shots. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, however, takes it a step further with its superior panoramic capabilities. After a thorough examination, it's clear that both cameras bring unique strengths to the table. The Vivo X100 impresses with its low-light capabilities and versatile shooting modes. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out with its expansive ultra-wide capabilities and advanced photography features. The final decision, however, rests with you. Depending on your personal preferences and shooting style, either could be your ideal pick. So, which smartphone camera would you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting tech reviews and comparisons. Until next time, keep exploring the endless possibilities of mobile photography.